Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll be taking a tour of the Hilton Fort Lauderdale Marina Hotel, which is one of the closest hotels to the cruise terminal in Port Everglades, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Oh, and by the way, they let me park my boat here in the back of the hotel. Just kidding. And here we are entering our room 2306. This hotel has two sections, the main tower section and the smaller off to the side building which we are in. The view, see the river. Looks like they're making a new cruise port. Balcony, 2 chairs. We get a fridge. Yeah, a fridge. It's not bad. There's no microwave. Coffee. It's down there. Chairs there. Small desk. Here's the closet. You get a safe, ironing board, and iron. And your luggage rack is in here too. Closet. Light on light. See the washroom. Not bad size. Traffic here was crazy. Because of an accident. Some here. Raindrop shower. Not that many towels. This is the Hilton Marina. It's okay. About 55-inch TV. It's not as big as the other hotel we were in, but still it's nice. Toilet doesn't flush. Came right off the chain, and there's nothing for a chain to hook up to. It's all disintegrating. That's what we call building maintenance. Put a new plunger in. The other one was all crumbling apart. Tap was different. Cold, hot. So this is our beautiful view of the parking lot and the bridge that takes you to the beach. And in the distance you can see a cruise ship there. So that shows you how close we are to the cruise port. So in my next video I'll do a tour of the grounds and what's in the area. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I hope to see you at our next video.